Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw outlines using the grid method. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you step by step on how to draw outlines of a portrait using the grid method. For this video series, I am going to draw Sanju Samson in the CSK jersey. If you want the same reference image, then don't worry, I'll link this image in the video description or the comments box, so make sure to download it to follow along with me while drawing. As you can see, there are grids in the image whose size is 2 by 2 centimeters. So we are going to draw the same 2 by 2 centimeter boxes on the paper. I am using A4 sheet drawing paper, so if you guys are drawing along with me using the same reference picture, make sure to use an A4 size sheet. Alright, for drawing the grids, it is recommended to use the lightest shade pencil possible so that we will be able to erase it easily later on. The lightest shade pencil that I have is a HB pencil, but if you have a 2H or any other lighter shade pencil, go ahead and use them. So to draw the grids, take a ruler and measure 2 centimeters both horizontally and vertically, which I'll show you in a moment. Since we are using an A4 sheet, the width of the paper is 21 centimeters. Place the ruler horizontally and mark with pencil at every 2 centimeters. To ensure we get straight lines, repeat the same step at the bottom of the page. Now connect both the dots at top and bottom using the scale. Repeat the same steps for the other side as well. Place the ruler vertically and mark with pencil at every 2 centimeters. Repeat the same step at the left side as well so that we can connect it to get a straight line. It is very important to make sure that the lines are straight, because if they are not, then when you start making the outlines, the whole proportions of the drawing will not be accurate. Next, we will number the boxes from top to bottom in the left side of the paper and left to right at the top side of the paper. Doing this will give us the guidance to draw in the correct boxes as in the reference picture. Our grids are now done and we are ready to start making the outlines for our drawing. For this, I am going to use a mechanical pencil of 0.5 mm. I recommend using a mechanical pencil if you have one, or you can also use a regular pencil, but make sure that it is sharp so that we will be able to draw more accurately. I'd like to start drawing the outlines with eyes. If you look at the reference picture, the left eye is in the number 5 box from left as well as top. So we will find the same box on our paper and start drawing the eye. Observation is the key while drawing. So keep looking at the reference picture, keep observing and draw accordingly. You look at the grid in the reference image and see how long the eye is, what part of the eye is inside a particular box, at which part of the box is the eye placed, is it to the left or right or top or bottom. drew the right eye very wide, and in the reference image the eye is little tilted, but the one I drew looks straight, so I just erased it to fix the eye again. Next, we will draw the nose and other features of the drawing. Just keep observing and keep drawing. Enjoy the rest of the process. I am making a full series of this realistic portrait drawing where in each video I will teach you how to shade eyes, nose, hair, skin realistically. By the end of the series, you will be able to draw a full realistic drawing of Sanju Samson. So make sure to subscribe the channel to keep updated for the further videos. I hope you all will improve your skills and become better artists. See you all in the next video. Bye.